came to Thera after many years of working in the HIV arena where the focus was on newly diagnosed first switch patients, where we've come so far and have done such a good job of keeping these patients alive. But now there's a lot of unmet needs that are around the issues of long-term complications, long-term exposure, and being able to bring some of that expertise I have from the other side to meet these unmet needs was really important to me. The HIV community is special because these are a group of survivors, but more importantly, these are people that could be anybody you know. It could be your neighbor, it could be your brother, your sister, it could be anyone. And so as a human community, we need to be taking care of all of our brothers and sisters across the world.